Planning a weekend getaway or a beach day, but struggling to pack everything in one bag? Stop carrying multiple heavy bags. Meet the simple, modern, extra-large Getaway bag. It's massive, incredibly stylish, and 100% waterproof. Whether it's sandy beaches or accidental spills, this premium fabric handles it all like a pro. Look at these ultra-durable, comfortable straps that won't dig into your shoulders. Plus, the interior zipper pockets keep your essentials like keys, phone, and makeup perfectly organized. It comes in gorgeous, aesthetic colors that instantly elevate your travel look. It's not just a beach bag, it's a fashion statement. Ready to upgrade your travel game? Check out the official link in the description below to grab yours today before it sells out!